Write down this one. Isn't what is asking in this given problem? Classify the following numbers are rational or irrational. Already told in previous class what is the rational number and what is the irrational number. When the number it is of the form p by q, where q does not is equal to 0 and p comma q belongs to z, where z is a integers, then it is known as rational number. Otherwise, when the number does not in the form of p by q, then it is known as irrational number, that we have to denoted by s. Rational and irrational numbers. First we will discuss the first one. First one is root 27. Root 27 that we have written as root of 3. Root AB that we have written as root A into root B that we have written as. And also root of 9 that we have written as 3 square and also 3 square and root will be cancelled. The remaining term is 3 root 3. You will observe 3 is a prime number. Already the definition of the another definition of irrational number I will told that the square root of a prime numbers, the square root of a prime number multiplication of rational and irrational number is also irrational number. The division of rational and irrational number is also irrational number. That means 3 plus root 3 must be. Where 3 is a rational number, root 3 is a irrational number. That becomes the sum of rational and irrational is must be also irrational. As well as the difference of rational and irrational number is also must be irrational. And also the product of rational and irrational is also irrational, and also the division of rational and irrational is also irrational number. We will observe here 3 is a rational number, 3 is a irrational number. That means the product of rational and irrational number is also irrational number. That means it is a irrational number. It is a irrational number. Now I am going to second one. What is asked in the second problem? Root of 441. You'll observe, we will take root of 441. That means 21 into 21. We will observe, we will take the square of 21. 21 whole square we have Here b whole square. First I have to written as a square. A square means 2 square. 2 square that becomes 0 4. After that 1 square that becomes 0 1. We will take rest in one place. After a square and b square will be completed. After we will take 2ab. 2 into a becomes 2, b becomes 1. 2 2 is 4, 4 1 is 4. That is the value is 441. That means already we know that 21 whole square must be equal to 441. Square root must be cancelled and remaining is 21. 21 that I have written as 21 by 1, where 1 does not is equal to 0. It is a rational number. It is a rational number. So I am going to the third one. 30.232342 and so on. We'll observe after decimal point the rate and so on. That is x is equal to 7. We will observe in this one after the decimal point the given numbers are repeated. Here also 48, 48, 48 and so on. 48, 48, 48 and so on means we will take 48 bar. Here given number after the decimal point has two numbers as bar means you can multiply it by 100 then the given number is a rational number. When the number is repeated, the number has two numbers as bar means when it has multiplied by 100. You will observe that I have to take x is equal to 7.484848 and so on. This will take equation number 1. That means equation 1 can multiply by 100, then that implies 100 into x is equal to 100 into 7.4848 and so on. That I have to written as 100x is equal to 100 into 748.484848 and will take by the denominator it must be equal to 100. 100 and 100 will be cancelled. Then remaining term is 100x is equal to 748.4848 and so on. This is my equation number 2. 2 can subtracted by 1, then that implies 100x is equal to 748.4848 and so on, as well as yeah, first equation is x is equal to 7.484848 and so on. Their subtraction is 99x becomes 8 minus 7 becomes 1, 741.000000. That is the given value is 99x is equal to 741. After we'll take x is equal to 741 by 99. Where denominator is 99. 99 is must be not equal to 0. That is it is a rational number. It is a rational number. Now I am going to next problem. That is fifth one is 11.2132435465. After the decimal point, then it has given number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have to take 10 zeros on the given fraction of your denominator. That we have to take 11, 2, 1, 3, 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 5. We'll observe in this one. After the decimal point, it has 10 digits there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll take 10 zeros 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There denominator 1, 0, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We will take the denominator value 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This not must be equal to 0 when it is of the form P by Q. It is a rational number. It is a rational number. Finally, now I am going to 6 to 1. What is asked in 6 to 1? That x is equal to 0.303003003 and so on. We will observe in this one that the given number after the decimal point there is no ending point. There is no ending point and also there is no repeated term in this given decimal point. That means it is a irrational number. It is a irrational number. That is asking in this given problem. That is asking in this given problem. So I am going to next problem. Explain with an example how irrational numbers differ from given problem means what is the difference between their rational numbers and irrational numbers. First I will take rational numbers. I have to take rational numbers when a fraction of the form a fraction of the form a fraction of the form one by two comma 3/5 comma 0 and so on are rational numbers. Rational numbers. Now, after we will discuss the definition of irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. The examples of irrational numbers are root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, and so on. The examples of the irrational numbers, the another definition are also known. What is the another definition means? The square root of a, the square root of a prime numbers, the square root of a prime numbers are called irrational numbers. Irrational numbers. That is what the difference between rational numbers and irrational numbers. Rational numbers and irrational numbers. This is the examples are also rational. In yesterday class, we will told two formulas. Any two rational numbers between a and b that must be equal to a plus b by 2, as well as any two irrational numbers between That is rational numbers and irrational numbers. First, we will observe in this one. If A and B are any two numbers, I will discuss this one. Here, first we have to take that A becomes 5 by 7. After that, B becomes 7 by 9. Here, the values A and B we know. Here, first we have to write the formula. The irrational numbers between two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. Find any two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. Let A must be take 0.7. That we have to take 7 by 10. That we have to represent. And also we have to take B is equal to 0.77. Will take. That we have to represent 77 by 100. Here, numerator and denominator can multiply and divide it by 10. That is equal to 70 by 100. This is the value is A. This is for B is equal to 77 by 100. We have to take. That is, A and B we know that we have to find out two irrational numbers between 0.77 and 0.7 and 0.77. That means you'll observe in this the two irrational numbers between A and B that we have to take. Root of AB will take. That means root of AB is equal to root of 70 into 77 by the denominator must be equal to 100 into 100. That means root of 77 into 70 by 100 whole square. That we have to represent root of 70 into 77 by 100. I will take this one. Another way how to take this value. Another way how to take this value. I have to multiply in this one. 77 into 7 becomes 7 7 is 49. Again 7 7 is 49. 49 plus 4 is equal to 53. That is root of 539 by 100. We will take this one. This is the first rational number. We will take first irrational number. First irrational number is equal. After we take the second irrational number, how to write the second irrational number? The second irrational number. We will take A is equal to 70 by 100 and B will take root of 539 by 100 will take. That means the given value is root of 70 into root of 539 by 100. These are the two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77. The another method of this problem is that A will become 0.70 will take. After that, let B is equal to 0.77 will take. The two irrational numbers between 0.7 and 0.77 are after the
టెక్నికల్ ఇష్యూ నెట్ రావట్లేదు, అందుకు లేట్ అయింది. ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు నెక్స్ట్ వన్. Already in previous class, I will explain next problem. What is that problem is, find the value of root 5 up to 3 decimal places. Already I will explain this problem in previous class. And also next the sixth one is, find the value of root 7 up to 6 decimal places by long division method. In previous class, I will told that first method is division method by using the root values. I will explain that one also. Locate root 10 on the number line. Okay, this type of problems I will explain in exercise 1. Now I am going to 8th problem. Find at least number between 2 and 3. Here first I have to take the two numbers will take. Let A is equal to 2. After that B is equal to 3. That is the first irrational number. The first irrational number between A and B, that is equal to, what is the formula is, root of AB will take root of where A becomes 2, B becomes 3, that is 2, 3, 6. That will take the irrational will take root. These are the two numbers. And also find out the second irrational number. Second irrational number between A and B is root of AB, that will take where A is equal to 2, B is equal to root 6. That means root of 2 into root 6. That means value is root 6 in this form.